is Donna McCabe, and the Reporting Scientist Manager here at Lextox. So, a little bit of housekeeping before we start. All attendees have been set to mute. This is simply to reduce background noise and to ensure that you can all hear me. This is a live broadcast, so unfortunately we won't be taking any questions during the webinar. However, if you do have any questions following this, you're free to email us at experts@lextox.co.uk, where we will answer your questions accordingly. Today's webinar will last approximately 20 minutes. We will be recording it and we'll share the link with you after the event. Okay, so let's begin. Today, I will be talking through why hair testing is used in family court and the benefits of hair testing, delivering legally defensible results, and why it's important to instruct the right type of testing, why quality is paramount, and the advantage of a complete, comprehensive, yet simple interpretation of the results. I will conclude with a summary before refreshing you on how you can contact us should you have any queries regarding this webinar. So, what are the benefits of hair testing? Unlike all other forms of drug and alcohol testing, hair has the unique long window of detection covering a period of many months. Hair can be sectioned into a month-by-month analysis which can show trends or patterns of drug use. Drugs remain locked within the hair, thus giving a history of drug use or abstinence for as long as the hair will allow. So, for example, hair grows on average of 1 centimetre per month. Therefore, a 12 centimetre length hair sample will be able to provide a drug history use of approximately 12 months. Hair is a very stable matrix whilst in situ on the scalp and also after collection. The sample collection itself is a simple and quick procedure, and once collected, hair requires no special storage conditions unlike other samples. The collection is also less invasive, and as a result more preferable to the donors than other tests. Hair testing is commonly used and widely accepted as legally defensible evidence in child protection, child resistance, and family law cases. There are many ways in which hair testing can be undertaken. It is vital that the correct type and combination of testing is chosen for the results to best support your case. For example, if your client has admitted using drugs but has recently declared stopping use, then a month-by-month sectional analysis must be chosen to be able to substantiate this claim. It is recommended that hair alcohol marker testing is carried out in conjunction with other tests, such as blood tests, to provide more clarity of the donor's alcohol consumption. Each test has its advantages and limitations, however, all tests are accurate. As the hair and blood testing are undertaken for different alcohol markers, different matrices, covering different time periods, the results cannot be directly compared. However, when used in combination, they can strengthen a diagnosis. If you want to prove a donor is consuming low amounts, abstaining from alcohol, or you simply want to show a pattern of alcohol consumption, then SQAM testing can show this. SQAM is secure, continuous, remote alcohol monitoring, and it does just that. It's remote, as the bracelet is simply worn on the ankle of the donor, and this bracelet tests the donor as they are going about their daily routine. It can detect very low amounts of alcohol consumption, down to approximately 1 to 2 units, and it takes a reading every 30 minutes, thus during the time that the donor is being monitored, thus providing a very detailed pattern. If you are ever unsure as to what type of testing will best suit your case and what the options are available to you, we will be able to make recommendations right from the very start. You can simply give us a call and we will discuss all your options. Quality assurance is all the planned actions we undertake from start to finish to provide adequate confidence that Lextox will fulfill your requirements for quality. This enables us to deliver market-leading reliability of legally defensible ISO 17025 accredited results. Clients have a need for this, as results obtained are often used as evidence in court, and you are unable to oversee the process yourself. As such, quality within the laboratory provides reassurance that the results obtained and issued are correct, that they are legally defensible in court, and that the laboratory can be trusted to deliver this. So, how do you safeguard quality in hair? Firstly, with accreditation. UCAS is the only national accreditation body which has been recognised by the government to assess against internationally agreed standards, organisations that provide certification, testing, inspection and calibration services. Laboratories holding this accreditation demonstrate the competency to ensure the reliability of the analysis results. This accreditation delivers confidence in the service of the testing laboratory. Even with accreditation, our analytical methods undergo ongoing development and continuous improvement. Secondly, with a clear-cut chain of custody. Chain of custody refers to the movement and location of physical evidence from the time it's obtained until the time it's presented in court. Chain of custody procedures here at Lextox ensure that the results relate beyond all reasonable doubt to that particular donor. If there are any breaks in the chain of custody, Lextox will notify you of this and will not proceed with the analysis. A robust and thorough procedure ensures the reliability of the analysis results, and contemporaneous notes provide the necessary records to ensure that the result will stand up in court at a later date. At Lextox, the chain of custody procedures include checking the donor's photo ID when collecting a sample, obtaining written donor consent to collect the sample for test purposes. Where required, witnesses are present at the sample collection. Samples are sealed in secure, tamper-proof packaging with a unique tracking code. On arrival at the laboratory, sample packs are sealed to check and then matched against the paperwork. A second analyst confirms that the pack is intact. Checks continue throughout the whole laboratory process. The sample sequence is checked on the instrument by 2 laboratory analysts. Results are processed by 1 laboratory analyst and approved by an independent second analyst before being reported. And reports are checked by 2 expert reporting scientists. Thirdly, we safeguard by adhering to standard operating procedures. Lextox has an internal quality management system, which is a requirement of the ISO 17025 UCAS accreditation. Quality management system provides a library of policies, procedures, forms, and documents which meet the client expectations, meet consistency requirements, and where necessary, comply with national standards. Key procedures include test processes, the storage of results, and queries arising post-analysis. The quality management system provides a right first time procedure and assurance as to the high quality of the testing provided. So, once the analysis has been completed, the next step is to provide the results obtained, which can often be quite complex, in an easy to understand way. Due care is taken when reviewing test results, and results will only be reported if they pass all of the strict reporting criteria. Expert reports are useful in court, and they detail specific case information such as the use of medications and hair treatments declared by the donor and how these may affect the results. Our reports provide a clear expert interpretation, ensuring that you understand the report and also the results obtained and exactly what they mean. Lextox clients have direct access to a laboratory-based experts should they require further clarification on analysis results. Our team of expert scientists, including myself, regularly attend court to explain test results, including the sample analysis and the chain of custody, and we provide this evidence in a clear and concise manner. So, in summary, the quality and accuracy of hair test results, therefore their ability to stand up in court, are dependent on a number of factors. When evaluating hair testing providers for family law cases, you might want to ask, what type of testing is most suitable for your individual case? Whether they are a UCAS ISO 17025 accredited laboratory. Ask about their chain of custody procedures, as what happens before sample gets to the lab is vitally important. Ask for a sample report. That way you can see whether the results are going to be issued to you in a clear manner and in a way that you're going to understand. And lastly, you can ask if their experts answer any questions or queries on the report once it's been issued. So ensuring results for your filing date. Bespoke quotations are prepared on the same day as the request and are agreed with the client. Trained healthcare sample collection professionals ensuring correct sample collection, and this is usually conducted within 48 hours of being instructed. A fast turnaround time. Our average is 4 working days from receiving the sample at the laboratory to issuing you with the results. Hair analysis results and expert reports are prepared by our experts here at the Cardiff Laboratory, and we are also available to discuss results. Quality assured. We are an ISO 17025 UCAS accredited laboratory for hair drug and alcohol testing, and we successfully participate in independent proficiency testing schemes to ensure the reliability of our methods and the results obtained. So, how do you request a quotation? You can call us on 02920 484 141, or you can visit our website at www.lextox.co.uk for an online request or to download the PDF form. Or alternatively, you can email us at experts@lextox.co.uk. That concludes today's event. Thank you again for joining us this afternoon. And if you do have any questions regarding this webinar, please feel free to email us at experts.lextox.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you if you have any further suggestions on future webinars we may undertake. So, that's it from me. On that note, have a lovely afternoon. Thank you all for attending, and goodbye.